what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. So today we're doing a first impression on a new Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow, and it's in the color Beauty Junkie. They just released this shade and I saw it on Trend Mood. I saw a picture, I'll post it right here, and I got so excited because it just looks like such a pretty like spring summer shade, and I had to have it. And I tried ordering it on Ulta and Sephora, and both places didn't have it, and I was so sad. And then I went to Stila's website and they did have it, and it turns out it's a Stila exclusive, so you can only get it on their website for right now. So just keep that in mind if you do want to order it. But yeah, today we're going to be using it for the first time, and we're going to be creating this look right here. And so yeah, if you guys want to see this look, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, so we are just going to jump straight into the eyes, and I'm going to be using my Too Faced Just Peachy matte palette to go with this glitter eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be using this for like my base colors, like my crease, my transition. And so first I'm going to be taking Just Peachy on my transition shade brush, and I'm just going to buff this into my crease and above it. Oh my gosh, and I did forget to tell you guys, but my eyes were already primed, and I just used my concealer and some translucent powder. Okay, and then on my MAC 217 brush, I'm just going to take this color right here called Peach Punch. And I'm just going to place this on my outer corner and also in my crease. Okay, and now I'm just going back in with that Just Peachy color, the transition shade, and buffing everything out. Okay, and to go ahead and deepen up the crease and outer corner, I'm taking Peach Tarte, this color right here, which is just a brown, on my 217 brush. And I'm just gonna pack this on the outer corner and then bring it into the crease. In with the more fluffy brush in that same brown color and packing it on even more. And then I'm just building this color up until I get the intensity that I want. So just going back in with my 217 brush and building up that crease. Now I feel like we lost quite a bit of that peachiness, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fluffy brush and I'm going to take the color Peach Punch, that brighter one, and I'm just going to use this to kind of go ahead and brighten everything back up. So I'm just going over everything. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and an angled brush, and I'm going to take it about halfway, kind of where this like blank space is right here. So I just like to look straight in the mirror first. Okay, so I want my crease right there, and then I'll just start cutting. As soon as I hit that brown is where I'm going to stop. Then taking a flat brush, I'm just gonna fill it in. And then right here on the edges, I like to go in with a more fluffier flat brush and just blend out this concealer into the eyeshadow. Just so it's nice and seamless. Now usually I would just go straight in with the eyeshadow, but since we're using the glitter today, I'm gonna set this in place first. So to go ahead and set that concealer, I'm taking Peach Meringue, which is just a skin tone shade, and I'm just gonna set that in place. Okay, so I got a little messy with this eye, but we'll clean it up later. Now we're gonna go in with the fun part, the star of the show, the Stila glitter in the color Beauty Junkie. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this color is. Okay, so these actually apply better with the applicator. So I'm gonna first go in just straight with the applicator, and I'm just gonna fill in where we cut this crease. And I'm gonna try to get as close to the actual line as possible without messing it up. And I like to focus most of the product right here in the inner part, so we could blend it out good at the end to like make it a little bit of a softer gradient, if you know what I'm saying. Trying to get as close to that line as possible. Okay, now that I have less on my brush, I'm gonna work on this outer part right here and just slowly bring it in really gently to this brown. And then I could even take that brush that we're using to blend out that concealer to blend out the edges before they dry, just to have a nice gradient. Ooh, that color is so nice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and dip in to get some more product and apply a second coat. For some reason, it's going on a little patchy right here. Maybe I applied too much. I'm just gonna let it dry and see how it looks. And if we need more, we'll go in with more. And I'm just gonna blend out these edges and let that dry. And while that's drying, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this eye. Okay guys, so I think the reason why it's looking patchy is because the brown is kind of peeking through. So what I'm gonna do is dip back into that brown color and just kind of go over this part right here, just to blend everything together. Oh, it's kind of making it metallic. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's like making the brown color metallic because of the glitter. I don't think I like that. Hold on. What? I don't know, I just feel like it's making it look weird. Actually, you know what? I think it's somewhat working if I just keep it right here on the outer part. So I'm just adding a little bit of dark brown right here. All right, and then going back in with Peach Punch, I'm just gonna blend out these edges over here. So I'm just gonna be using my Stila liquid liner in the color dark brown. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and define the cut crease. So I'm just gonna take the brown color we've been using in a small tiny brush, and I'm just gonna outline this cut crease. Perfect. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take that same dark brown color on my flat brush. Okay, and so I'm just gonna blend that out with the color Peach Punch. Okay, for mascara today, I'm just using my Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Okay, and for eyelashes today, I'm gonna be using my Whispies from Ardell. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and add a inner corner highlight. I'm going to be using this chrome paint from Tarte called Top Yacht. And I'm just going to apply it right here in the inner corner. Ooh, that's so pretty. And when I was waiting for my eyelashes to dry, I did apply a little bit of nylon right under my brow as a brow bone highlight. Okay guys, so this is the finished eye look. I really, really like it. I love this glitter. It's so unique. It's kind of like a summer, spring smoky eye. I feel like that's what I created. I like it. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I did finish off the look by adding a lip, and I just used the Nars liquid lipstick in the color Get It On, which is just a nice nude color. And yeah, I really like the way this look turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this kind of like first impression on an eyeshadow and me like creating a look out of it. And yeah, I really liked it. I hope that you guys did too. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments down below. Also, before you leave, make sure you subscribe to my channel, BritanyRaquell. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week for you guys. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!